Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for those especially celebrating Valentine's Day. This video will be on a red bob that I will be installing for my mom. It is a closure wig, and all I'm going to be doing is showing you how basically I prepped her hair. I started on her freshly washed hair and blow dried, so I'm going to be braiding her hair down, and not really extravagant braid pattern, but just something simple to make sure that her wig lays flat. So I'm gonna let you guys watch that and then come back. I just want to say ahead of time, please forgive me if I sound very unenthused. Like, you guys, you do not know. My mom got off maybe 2-3 o'clock. So soon as she came off straight from work, she washed her hair. And so we was just up doing her hair. I finished her hair around 7:30 a.m. I think it's now around 9:30. I have no clue, but just FYI, I am very tired, so I'm so sorry. If you guys were wondering, I did install my mom's wig the same way I did mine. So I will leave that link in the bio of how I install my wig, my closure wigs. And this is the wig that I made for her little Valentine's Day wig, whatever. So right now I'm just going to put it on her head just to see where I want it. I know it may look like I'm being rough, but y'all, she's like one of my worst clients. Like, she would probably feel away if I said it, but she knows she is. Like, throughout this video, she made this so hard for me, but good thing she's my mom. Like, she can help me do some things. I don't mind asking her to, whatever. But no, I'm not being too rough on her. I'm just trying to make sure that it fits, and when I lay it down with the glue, that it will be all set. Let me tell you about these things. If y'all have never tried oxy pads for your face, please go get them ASAP. I definitely forgot to tell you guys how I dyed this hair. So originally this hair was 613 hair. It was two 14-inch bundles and a 12-inch closure, and they were both 613 bundles. And if you saw my recent video with my watercoloring, that's the same technique I use for these bundles, like the exact same. I will probably leave the in the description of what colors I use to get this exact color, but that is the same process I use. So if you guys would like to see another updated version of watercoloring, please let me know below, and I will be back when it's time to cut. FYI, I'm not a professional. Like, y'all, I really wanted to leave this hair like in a blunt cut style, but my mom really don't like long hair, and she's going to be away for a couple days, so like her and styling longer hair is just not going to work. So I started to section off this when I get to, you know, almost the desired length I want, just to ensure that I'm cutting the right amount of hair. Like, I don't want to take too big of a section and it's all crazy. So the key to just getting a decent looking bob is to just take your time, cut in sections if you have to, and just, you know, move slow. Make sure you tilt the heads each side, you know, make sure you have your client or whoever tilting their head so you can get all of the excess hair underneath. I'm just putting a couple of finishing touches on her hair with some got to be spray, brushing, you know, all the flyaways down into place. But y'all, look at this. Like, I really barely even needed to use any other spray on this hair. Like, it was already so silky and pretty. Then I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of like powder and just define her part a little more so it can make it, you know, blend. And yeah, this is pretty much gonna be the end of the video, so I'll come back to you guys at the end so you guys see her results. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And also have a very special Valentine's Day. I will see you guys in my next video.